In 2017 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Come see the car for yourself.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.